wearing the same shirt I wore yesterday. Don't sue me. I'm almost home. It is a Monday. I ended up just staying at Rizzo's because too much driving in one day. I was not driving back at night, just not happening. So since I don't have to be in the office today, I could just drive right back home and not have to worry about like rushing or anything. Today's agenda, obviously working. I have to edit and upload. Did I start editing already? I'm trying to think. I don't think I did. So that's gonna be fun. And then, since I didn't go to the gym this morning, I'll probably go later this afternoon. But yeah, that's that. And I will see you guys back at home. All right, wow, I look great right now. So I've been working. Today is one of those busy Mondays. I just had my lunch. It's like 2:30. I've also been trying to get this vlog up today. It's probably gonna be a late upload. But I want to take a little ginger shot. That's what I like to call it. It's not really a ginger shot. It has matcha in it and other awesome ingredients like vitamins and such. But actually, this is from Magic Mind, and you can actually make this into like a matcha latte. You can put it in your coffee. Just take it as a shot like I'm gonna do, or you could sip on it. It's up to you. I actually tried this in one of my recent videos, but I wanted to like try it out before I said anything about it. You guys know that certain shots like this taste awful, but this one actually tastes really good. It tastes like it has green apple in it, but I don't believe it does. I think it might be the agave that's in it, but it tastes really good. So it's not like, oh no, I gotta take this or whatever. It's like, oh, okay, here's my little pick-me-up and it tastes good. And I like it. First off, it definitely is a great little pick-me-up. I think it's fun to do. Like, I'm like, oh, here's my little like healthy thing for the day, you know? You guys know that sometimes I need 2 cups of coffee a day. I'm a coffee fanatic. I always have coffee in the morning. But this is a great little replacer for my second cup, you know, because it's not really good to have 2 cups of coffee a day because then your body gets used to it. I've been taking this instead of coffee because of the matcha in it. It's supposed to boost your energy. It's also supposed to help keep you focused. But let's take this right now because I really want to. So I'm just gonna take it as a shot. I don't think I can take it all at once, but my chair. But you know what? Bottoms up. Awesome, love it. These little matcha shots are from Magic Mind. You use my code JuliaBella20 to get 20% off. I'll leave the link in the description box. I think if you're someone that just needs a little pick-me-up throughout the day, this is a great option. Or if you're someone that, you know, wants to stay healthy throughout the winter months, this is also a great option. It has so many vitamins in it. I think it's just, honestly, anyone can benefit from something like this. So yeah, I hope you guys check out Magic Mind below. As I said, use my discount code JuliaBella20 to get 20% off. So now that I had that, continue working. I'm feeling great. Only have a few hours left, but I still have a lot of things to do. So this bad boy is gonna really get me through. It is late. Today was just another busy work day, but I also, after I was done with work, I had to finish my video so I get it up. So that's uploading right now. I'm gonna head to the gym. I don't think I'm really gonna do much. I might just do like 12 through 30 and call it a day. I just need to get some movement in and kind of de-stress myself. So I feel like that'll be good for me. Yeah, so I'll probably like edit my thumbnail and all that jazz while I'm on the treadmill. Today has just been one of those days. Not the best vlogging day, but it's vlogmas, so I have to. Good morning, y'all. I was gonna vlog when I was coming home from the gym, but honestly I forgot. So I went to the gym this morning and I stopped and got gas, and now I'm home. My mom is actually borrowing my car. Her car literally just died on her yesterday. Like, she was pulling out of the driveway and it just died. Luckily, I work from home, so she was able to use my car. I feel like I never tell you guys what I put in my coffee, even though I drink coffee every morning. So I just use I think it's just Kirkland brand from Costco. They're like dark roast coffee. And then I put almond milk creamer, whichever kind my mom buys. Sometimes it's vanilla, sometimes it's just unsweetened. I'm not super picky with like the creamer per se. Well, that's a lie. That's what I do with my coffee, and it's always a hot coffee, especially in the morning. Even in the summer, I'm a hot coffee gal. In the gym this morning, I was still half asleep. It kind of makes sense because the like few days leading up to my period, I am half asleep. The devil. My skin hates me. I don't want to do anything. So that's where we're at. It kind of makes no sense because you would think like while I'm on my period, that's when these things would hit me. But no, it's the week leading up. So I'm not sure what that means for me, but I'm just letting you know. I think today I might do a little like what I eat in a day, but I think I might because I didn't vlog much yesterday, and I'm not sure if today is gonna be any more exciting because I have a lot of work to do. So I might do a little what I eat in a day because those are fun. Let's make some breakfast. It is way too late. I just couldn't sit in my sweat any longer. I had to shower first. But this morning we are gonna make some eggs and some toast. That is what I'm feeling. So let's do it. See if this avocado is good, because I don't know. I really don't. I have a feeling, oh no, I don't think it is. No. This half looks better than the other half, so I think I'm just gonna cut out the brown parts. 2 eggs. Kind of to get shells in it, like I just did. So we got 2 pieces of toast from Trader Joe's. They're gluten-free bread, really good. Definitely recommend. The one half the avocado I salvaged, and then I topped it off with the spicy honey from Trader Joe's. And then my eggs are just 2 eggs, spinach, tomato, and then my favorite part is the goat cheese that I add on top. I am in love with goat cheese. And then some raspberries on the side because they look really, really good. And I cannot wait to eat because I am starving. Tell them that you're pretty. And we have a little bit of salad left over from last night. I love leftovers. And some cheese. And this is lunch. So I got basically a plate of leftovers and I couldn't be happier. Oh wait. Oh, we don't have, I thought we had pumpkin pancakes left. We only have the pumpkin bread. All right, we're gonna make pancakes for dinner. I feel like having something sweet because I had savory meals all day today. So we're gonna do the Trader Joe's gluten-free pancakes. They have really good gluten-free pancake mix. My dad just ran out because he needs whipped cream, but I just found that we have whipped cream in here. So he really didn't have to do that. But I'm trying to call him because we only have 1 egg. And this calls for 1 egg, but that's for 4 to 5 pancakes. And we're both eating it, and I'm pretty sure my mom's gonna have some. So that's not gonna be enough. So I wish he would answer his phone. Some butter. Oh, now he wants me to open the door. I can't believe you don't answer the phone.
I didn't have my phone.
First off, we have Ready Whip.
We do?
Yep. Second off, we only have 1 egg. I was asking you to get eggs. That's why you gotta answer when I call you. So I'm not calling for no reason. Nope.
Did you ask Mom or no?
Well, I don't know if there's anything else you could substitute for an egg.
Well, you don't have any eggs
Made the batter. Dad ran out to grab more eggs. So heat up the pan, sprayed with some olive oil, and now we're gonna make the pancakes. Okay, I didn't flip these that good, but the colors.
So, as with some fine waffles that my daughter is making here, and I know that, well, pancakes, we know that they're gonna be top notch. So you have to have bacon with that, no doubt. I like to really do it in the oven. Short notice like this, we're gonna do it in the microwave.
We don't know if the oven's allowed.
Yeah, we might not be allowed. The oven, it might be off limits to us.
Right now.
You never know. Just depends on the mood. Did I say that out loud or was I just thinking that?
You're killing me.
All right.
I'm making more batter. The bacon.
So my second trip to the store to see my friend, he has everything. He saves me a lot of fuel because if I had to run the Stop and Shop, then when you run the risk of running into somebody you know. And when that happens, then you're stuck there, you're caught, and I could still be there for all we know. Watch me work.
All right, let's see. My God, how big is that pancake, Dad?
Wait a minute. Watch me work.
Wow, that's a pretty perfect circle.
Look at us go. The old pancake pecan trick. Watch this work. Watch this work. Right over to this. Low temperature. Let it set up.
Look at that. That compared to mine. All right, we got the pancakes. Dad made some bacon, and then we got blueberries, raspberries. I'm gonna use agave, and he's using that.
And whipped cream.
Yeah.
You have to have whipped cream.
I think I'm gonna go for this big.
You gotta blast it with whipped cream. You can't go wrong.